guys, finally our last trip, maybe the last trip of the year has started, and it was a mess. We thought we were late, and it is because of Ankit, who told me that, oh, you're still in the metro, your flight is an international flight, and then we are running and I have worn full sleeves and it's too warm. It's too warm. But now everything is done, I guess.
No,
Just the security check. Yeah.
see the long line here.
But we'll make on time. Be positive. That was something different. My first international flight and I'm running. But it's just 1 minute in our boarding and we have reached. See, we are on time. The lines. She's already there. Where I need to go. Being a foreigner, she came first and I have to wait. Even I'm an Indian, I have to wait.
Show me your stamp.
So whoever is coming to Nepal by flights, let me tell you, you can check in, then at the immigration, yes, you will get a stamp, then you will come here, then again you will get a stamp, then again there's a checking, and then after that you can claim your bag, which is basically displayed here. This is my SIM card for 400 INR and only 150 notes work here, no 500 notes. Nepali currency. He must be standing there.
I have no idea. I wasn't here before.
Miss Nidhi Gupta हैं SRK SKR.
There, here.
Yeah, Nicole. Now sit in the car. Thanks. Welcome, my lord. So this is our hotel, Everest Boutique. Such a cute room. Excuse me. Such a beautiful painting it is. And we have a balcony here. A very small one. See? For the street view. I have made this list and now he is marking on the map. We are here. And these are our sides. Just look at this.
Can you sit here?
See, there is 7. I'm gonna sit here in the morning only.
Let's go downstairs. Here is.
I mean, after what? The Udaipur hotel rooftop. This is gonna be my favorite. I mean, and the view is not clear yet because it's dark, but you can see the mountains. Wow. I think, Nicole, this is the stupa.
Yeah.
Want to go. See, a fan of bakery. Wow. So we are starting the day. He's our driver, Sandeep. Guys, we are going to Pashupatinath temple today, and our driver here told us that non-Hindus are not allowed. And I was like, "मैं कट्टर Hindu, why?" Then he was like, okay. Then I told him every places I have been to. I have a list. So now we are going to Pashupati. He can't go inside. Can't do anything with that. But let's see. We'll finish it quick and yeah. Then for rest of the temples we'll go together. That was nice. So
That's a good idea, but I think I will fail. one mantra, I will fail.
Yeah.
You can say Ganesha's name.
Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya.
So we are
Har Har
teaching her
Mahadev.
how she can prove that she's a Hindu.
Yeah.
Just say Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya.
Now they will stop you.
Now they're like
If
Like
you
I
do this,
said, like I
negative marks.
yeah. If you do this, then do.
So, she has received such a beautiful ticket, and I don't need a ticket. And here we'll keep our shoes. So see, look at this. We don't know.
have it on video.
Huh?
I have it on video.
No, I'm explaining in my vlog. You explain it. What was that? Just explain.
She found a coin in the fire and now she's lucky.
Yeah, so they told us that you have to look for it, and I just tried, and on the first go I found it. Now so we are done with the Pashupati temple. Had a beautiful darshan. She also got this. I also got this. Now we are leaving. Wow! It's beautiful. Believe me, it's really, really beautiful. Wow! Look at those eyes. And see. Wow. We have reached on the top of it. Now we have came to this beautiful cafe with this view. Sometimes I does behave like Emily in Paris. One shot glass for you. I mean, why there are two types of glasses?
Because they have different types.
Being up there.
Now I regret it that I didn't buy this. Like,
Now we have came to this Sleeping Vishnu temple, and I'm really excited to see that. Wow.
there is a monkey.
Wow. Kumari temple. Inside the Kumari's girl. We did some shopping. Show. We are engaged now. To Nepal for our honeymoon, and now we are engaged.
Is this a 1 or a 9?
Yeah, engagement, ma'am, and enjoy your honeymoon. But she told me that this is to. I just paused for a second, yeah, because some boys were looking. This is to attract love, so let's see when I can.
Let's see what will happen. She will find her future husband in seconds now, or minutes, or hours, or maybe in days. or
Oh,
months.
there he is. Nowhere. So now we have came to the last destination of the day, that is Swambhunath or Monkey Temple. Again one stupa. Yet.
Or again,
This is the view. Look what I have got for myself. We are just out to roam around, and there are only two shops that I can see. Either non-veg, either alcohol. Non-veg, alcohol. Every other shop is non-veg or alcohol.